Disclaimer: this video is for educational and commentary purposes only. The topics shared are future projections based on public information. Viewers are encouraged to do their own research and draw their own conclusions. You are running out of time. Let us be blunt. Too many of you still do not understand what is happening. This system is not being built to help you. It is being built to contain you, to track you, to monitor you, to control you. And while the system expands, you are still scrolling, still watching, still partying, still ignoring, still thinking this is just a conspiracy. You think you are safe. You are not. You think they will not. You think your job or your comfort will protect you. It will not. This is not a test, not a game, not a drill. This is a full transition to a digital control system. Digital money, digital identity, digital access. One system, one set of permissions, one point of failure. You are being distracted by influencers, fed entertainment by algorithms, guided by platforms that do not care about your survival. Wake up while you are at brunch. The infrastructure is being finished while you are on vacation. The code is being written while you are at concerts, at the club, on cruises, living for the weekend. The contracts are being signed, and when the switch is flipped, you will be caught off guard, but the accumulators will not. We warned you, we prepared. You laughed, you ignored. Now it is becoming reality. The future money will be programmable. You will not choose what to spend it on, where to spend it, or when, because it will be linked to your digital ID, your behavior, your compliance. If your score does not match their rules, you will be locked out. This is already being tested. Some workers overseas are being monitored at work by wearable devices, headbands tracking brainwaves, scanning emotional states, measuring focus and stress. Brainwave surveillance is becoming normalized in the workplace. Soon it will be rolled out everywhere. Not just what you do, but how you feel, what you think, how alert you are. You will be scanned, tracked, ranked, judged by machines, by code, in real time. And if you step outside the rules, you will lose access. Ask for help. Your friend will not be able to help you because their access will be locked too. This is not just about the United States. This is global. Every region is aligning to one direction, one system. Walletmor is already selling implantable chips. Neuralink is building brain-computer links. Clearview AI is selling facial recognition software to governments. BlackRock and Accenture are working with central banks. The Atlantic Council is tracking over 130 CBDC projects around the world. Legislation is active now. The Clarity Act, the Genius Act, the Anti-Surveillance State Act. These are public. Look them up. The new system will tell you what, when, and how to buy. And if your digital profile is flagged, you will be denied. This is how control works. By permission, by access, by code. You are not just being replaced. You are already being displaced by artificial intelligence, by automation, by robotics, by smart contracts, by systems that never sleep, never ask, never care. Jobs are being eliminated in waves. Call centers, retail, customer service, truck driving, warehouse workers, real estate agents, loan officers, bank tellers, car dealerships, teachers, nurses, even content creators. AI is moving fast. Self-driving taxis are rolling out. Autonomous Ubers and Lyfts are replacing drivers. Delivery robots are taking over the streets. Rideshare jobs are vanishing. Millions of people who once relied on driving to earn a living will be cut out, silently, permanently, because machines do not need rest, or wages, or rights. One day you will wake up, and your position will be gone. Not because you were bad, but because the system evolved past you, and you will ask how this happened. It happened while you were distracted, while you were out at the gym, at the concert, on the cruise, at the club, ignoring the signs, depending on a system designed to trap you, but not the accumulators. We saw it early. We moved early. We built early. We stayed alert. We prepared, because we are not here to beg. We are here to build. And now, you must live with the results of your choices. You either build or you beg. You either accumulate or you obey. You either prepare or you perish. If you think this is too much, keep scrolling. But if you know this is real, then it is time to move. This system will not stop, and neither will we. This channel is not for followers. It is for builders, movers, stackers, survivors. This is it. Choose wisely, because time is up.